You are welcome to the Voice of Restoration by Pastor Sam. Gold of lies are not found on the surface. If you want to go higher, you need to dig deeper. You need to dig deeper. Because the treasures that make destiny, they are not found on the surface. Every treasures in life, they are buried at the depth of the sea. Greatness is not by an accident at all. Greatness is a well planned and prepared for. To be great, you have to plan your life ahead. To be great, you have to determine to be great. And you need to ask yourself, what price will I pay to be great? As you take the step toward paying the price of greatness, soon you become one of the great men in history. Shake off, rise, and decide to be great. Soon you'll be great. God bless you.